Title: What would happen if the sun suddenly disappeared? Have you ever wondered what would happen if the sun suddenly vanished? It sounds like something from a science fiction movie, but let's explore what science says. First, something surprising would happen: nothing. For about 8 minutes and 20 seconds, why? Because sunlight takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel from the sun to Earth. That means if the sun disappeared instantly, we wouldn't know it immediately. We would continue seeing daylight until the last rays of sunlight reached us. Then everything would change. The sky would suddenly become completely dark, even in the middle of the day. The moon would disappear from view because it reflects the sun's light. The planets would also become invisible to us. Next, temperatures on Earth would begin to fall. Within a few days, the average global temperature would drop below freezing in many places. Over the following weeks and months, it would continue falling dramatically. Plants would stop photosynthesis because they need sunlight to make food. As plants die, animals that depend on them would also begin to disappear, followed by predators higher up the food chain. Ecosystems around the world would start to collapse. There is another major consequence. The sun's gravity keeps Earth in orbit. If the sun suddenly disappeared, Earth would no longer orbit it. Instead, our planet would continue moving in a straight line through space at its current speed. Would humanity survive? Most people on the surface would face extreme cold and food shortages. However, some scientists believe small groups could survive for a time in underground shelters or near deep-sea hydrothermal vents, where heat comes from Earth's interior rather than the sun. Thankfully, this is only a thought experiment. According to everything we know about astronomy, the sun cannot simply disappear overnight. It has enough fuel to continue shining for about 5 billion more years. So while the idea is fascinating, there's no need to worry. Our sun will continue lighting and warming our world for a very, very long time. If you enjoyed this video and want more amazing science and space facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.